especially when the tide is coming in. Often fish is coming with the tide in. So here you see what I mean, that they got help by the nature, because the islands were here and the area was perfect for making a road. Have you seen the latest James Bond movie or the film? Because James Bond has been here driving on these roads. If you haven't, you should see that film, because unfortunately he died. So no more James Bond. From now on it will be 007. So new agent. James Bond is history. But anyway, they were driving wild here on these roads. Have a look now in front of us. This bridge, this is the highest one. 23 meters is the sailing height. 260 meters long, and it looks like we are going to drive straight out in the sea, but soon now you see that there is a bend here, so you see how it goes. This beautiful architecture, construction, it fits in with the scenery and the landscape. And now they have made this to the left here, so people can stand here and not on the road to fish. Before it was a problem. And when we come to the other side, that is where we are going to stop when we come back. You see this bridge from another angle, and you will also see now soon in front of us there, if you look down to the left, that there is a path, very nice one, so you can go there with wheelchair without a problem and walk around this little island. It's beautifully done, so it's easy to walk. You can start from one side or the other one. It doesn't matter. It's not a one-way thing here. And from there you can get beautiful pictures straight out the open sea here. So here we are going to stop on the way back. And in here, you see to the left now, there is a little cafe, if you like to have a coffee or something. And there are toilets. You see the path here, very easy to walk, it's not steep. And now we are on our way to the next town, as you see, Kristiansund, which has approximately 18,000 inhabitants. A little less, so Kristiansund is the smallest town. And earlier you had to take a ferry from the island Averøy, where we are going to turn before going back. But now they have an undersea tunnel from that island to Kristiansund. Here, out to the left, there is an island called Followmecruising, and there is a little hotel, so they have taken good care of all the old houses. It was a fisherman village. Fishermen came here, stayed during the winter, but there were also people living there. And this was taken over by an adventurer. He used to sail here and there in Arctic areas, and then he bought this place. But after that he fell off his horse. He couldn't work anymore with this, so he sold it And now it belongs to a hotel, a little hotel chain. And you can go there for a relaxed holiday, or you can go to a meeting. It's very popular to have seminars and meetings for a few days and stay on this island, and they pick you up with a Viking ship. So this was the road. We are now on the